And hello everybody, standard YouTube intro here. My name's Peter. Drawing a picture today. We're going back into this. Well, since I finished my other sketchbook, I'm kind of floundering around a little, trying to figure out, where I want to draw. Not floundering in a bad way, just, I had been drawing wherever I wanted all the time, of course. I feel very free and liberated all the time as far as art goes, which I'm very thankful for. Sometimes there are a lot of artists out there who, people who do art for a living, who have to rely on things like commissions and stuff, and they don't always get to choose all the time what they draw. So I'm very thankful to be in a place where I can just draw just what I feel, what I want. It's really up to me, and I'm glad to be able to take that route. But so today, there's this book I have. You might have seen the cover. It's really cool. It's made by Paper Blanks. I don't know. They're not telling me to say that or anything, but people always ask about these sketchbooks because they look so cool on the outside. Sometimes I like a sketchbook with an ornate outside. Sometimes I like a sketchbook with a really plain outside. Both are cool, and this paper is okay. It's really smooth, and it doesn't bleed through, but it is a little bit thinner than the Crescent render paper I was using, in the sense that I can see some lines through it. Anyways, there's this Day Fever sketchbook I'm drawing in. Am I talking too dizzyingly fast right now? I've had my 3 cups of coffee. I'm drawing in this. Maybe sometime. See, none of the drawings in this Day Fever sketchbook, where I am making an abstract comic of sorts, have ever been published anywhere, right? Like all my little line almanacs and stuff that have some of my drawings. I've never put any of these in there because I want to put these all out together in a little book together at some point. So I don't know. This is like the 17th page you see me drawing here. So we're making a little bit of progress. It's been, I go away from it, come back to it. But I like it. It's a good thing to have to work on every now and then. But how are you guys doing today? How are you? You guys feeling okay? You guys work on any cool projects? And what kind of pants are you wearing? On a scale from 0 to 10, what kind of pants are you wearing? If 0 is no pants, and 10 is those big, thick, beefy, like pants that firefighters wear. They're pretty much just one step down from body armor. Like they can go stand on top of like a grill if they wanted to. You know what I'm talking about? Like they're super thick canvas and they probably have insulation. That's a 10 right there. Like crazy pants I'm thinking right now I'm sitting pretty at maybe a 6 or 6.5 or 7 is getting a little bit too much, because look, I feel like I've got to give myself several points just for wearing pants that reach all the way down to my ankles, right? That's a significant amount of points right there. But they don't get a whole lot of points for thickness, because they're pretty thin pants. I don't know what material they are. I'm bad at materials. Cotton, wool, polyester. What other materials do things get made out of? Hemp? No, these are cloth pants. I know that, but they're not they're not super thick or beefy. They're not like Carhartts or something. So I'm thinking like 6.5 on the pants scale is where I'm sitting in. And do you think color and pattern and design should go into the point system at all? Like this is a very muted tone. They're like light blue, but if they were like bright red or had some crazy purple and pink or bright green polka dots on them, do you think that would make the pants point scale go up at all? I'm open to that. So maybe I should shave off another half point just because they're a very muted color. Like I feel like they really should, because if you saw someone walking down the road with like bright pink pants, something that just stands out, you would be like, wow, look at those pants. Either for good or for bad, like, wow, those are awful, or wow, those are amazing. But even if someone's wearing the exact same pants in another way, construction, length, everything, but they were just like khaki colored, then they wouldn't get as many pants points. So let me know what your pants points level is, and so I'm just trying to connect with my viewers on a very leggy level here. Okay. I used a Rotring Isograph 0.25 for most of this drawing, and yeah, let me know if you have any other questions. Try to answer. Don't you guys think YouTube's like really annoyingly glitchy on how like comment reply chains work on here? But anyways, I'll try. I'll try. It's good to see you all. Hope you're having a good day. All right, goodbye. All right, bye. Bye.